Hi students, I hope all of you are fine. As you know, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School and I am making this video for students of class 3 subject grammar. Today's thought: the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So, this thought shows us that the journey is a long journey of our life. We might walk 1,000 miles before we reach our destination. We should not get tired, we should not get upset, we should keep on walking through the journey of our life. The instructions which are to be followed: oral hygiene, bathing ritual, hair care, foot hygiene, toileting hygiene, hand hygiene, coughing and sneezing hygiene, home hygiene. So as you can see, these 8 images, you have to follow these things every day. You have to take care of all these things. In today's video, we shall do the revision of the previous video, and we will continue with the next exercise of lesson number 16, conjunctions, and we will solve the continued textual exercises which we had left in the previous video, and we will also solve some interesting worksheets. So those who have the textbook, they can open the textbook and write the answers directly in that with a pencil. Others may write it in the rough book. Let us begin. So in the previous video we had understood about conjunctions. I had given you a brief explanation what are conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins the two words or sentences. We had read a few examples of the same. So these are all the examples that we had read. Then we had started with textual exercises. First we had done the warm-up exercise, then we had read about a few examples. Exercise 1 we had done, then exercise 2 also we had completed, and I had told you that one time you have to write this exercise in homework. I hope all of you are completing it, and those who are regularly giving the homework, I really appreciate those students, but those who are not sending, please keep sending the homework regularly. So we completed till here. Now read these sentences. Although Neera dislikes cookies, she ate a few yesterday. He finished the cake while I was taking a shower. The picnic was cancelled because it rained. The words although, because and while are also conjunctions. So these 3 words which are given in red color, although, while, because, all these are also called conjunctions. See, although Neera dislikes cookies, she ate a few. Means she doesn't like, then also she ate the cookies. He finished the cake while I was taking a shower. So at that time when I had gone inside the bathroom for taking the shower, at that time he finished the cake. That is while. The picnic was cancelled because it rained. The reason is given. Why was it cancelled? Because reason is that rain, it was raining. So although, while, because are conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with using these conjunctions which are given: because, while, although. Now we have exercise number 3. As we had completed exercise number 1 and 2, now we will continue with exercise number 3 for your textbook. So open your textbook, right? Exercise number 3 is given. Let us write the answers. Make hay dash the sun shines. You have got 3 options which you can write You cannot use any other options but only these three: because, while, although. Which one will come over here? Make hay dash the sun shines. Here it will come while. So let's write the answer. WHILE, while. Make hay while the sun shines. So at that time in the morning, when it is the time of sunrise, you should make hay, means you should be happy that the day has begun. You should start the day energetically. She still behaves like a child dash, she is 20 years old. So even after being 20 years old, then also she behaves like a child. It is not a good thing. Means she is grown up now. She should not behave like a child. So here it is contrast. Behaving like a child, 20 years old. It is contrast. Opposite things are given. So we use this conjunction although. See, I'll write the answer. ALTHOUGH, although. The spelling now you can see it. The same spelling which is given, although, means then also. She is 20 years old, then also behaves like a child. I did not go to the party dash, I sprained my leg. Sprained means got hurt and was paining. So, I sprained my leg. I did not go to the party dash, I sprained my leg. Because, while, although. What should be written? Because. So let us write BECAUSE, because. I did not go to the party because I sprained my leg. Ron fell asleep dash, watching television. So at that time when Ron was watching television, he went to sleep. He was feeling sleepy. So while watching television, he had gone to sleep. So from these three, which one do we write? The second one, while. Because you see the time is given of his sleeping, like while watching television. When he was watching television, he slept. I was awake till midnight dash, I was working on my project. Why was I awake? Why will you be awake at night if you have some work? So here he had to complete his project work. That's why he was awake till midnight, till late night. So the reason is given. Which one? Which is the answer? Because. Reason is given. Why was he awake? Because the project work was there. So here the answer is because. Do write the answers and the sentences with me. Ranu failed to climb the cliff dash, he tried hard. These are again opposite things. Climb the cliff means climbing the small mountain. When you try to climb, sometimes you fail, means sometimes you fall down, but again you have to try. So opposite things are given. Ranu failed, she failed to climb the cliff. He tried hard. Even if he tried hard, then also he failed. Contrast or opposite situations are given. So although. Here we write the spelling ALTHOUGH, although. Ranu failed to climb the cliff, although he tried hard. Although means even after trying hard, he failed to climb the cliff. G. Mother walked the dog dash, I watered the plants. So at that time when I was watering the plants, at that time mother was walking with our dog. So what would be the answer from these three? Because, while, although. We have to write while. The time is given. So while mother walked the dog while I watered the plants. Mona had to take a different route. Dash the main road was blocked. Mona had to take a different route. She had to go in a different way, different direction. Why? Because the road was blocked. Reason is given, right? So we use the first one, because. Why did she go on the other way? Road was blocked. So because, Because, because the road was blocked, so she had to take different route. Cheetahs can run very fast. Dash, their legs are strong. So you might have seen cheetahs, the fastest animal, right? So what should we write? Cheetahs can run very fast. Dash, their legs are strong. Because, while, or although. Why can they run very fast? Because their legs are strong. Reason is given. So we write because in this blank. Reason is given. Why are they able to run fast? As they have the strong legs. So because. They went out for dinner. Dash, it was raining. Even when it was raining, then also they went out for dinner. Even when it was raining, then also they went out. They went out for dinner although it was raining. Or you can say they went out for dinner while it was raining. So we can write although also. Although it was raining. Let us write ALTHOUGH. Although means then also. It was raining, then also they went out for dinner. So we have to write although. Exercise 4. Join the sentences with conjunctions. Amish was very angry. He kept quiet. See now, look at these two sentences carefully. There are two. Amish was very angry. Sentence 1. He kept quiet. Sentence 2. Now you have to join these sentences with the help of a conjunction like and, or, but, because, while, although. Any conjunction you can use, and you have to remove this full stop and you have to join the sentences. Join. In between, one conjunction will come. Amish was very angry. He kept quiet. Opposite things are there. He was angry. Then also he kept quiet. So we write but. The whole answer we shall write. So see that you are also writing the answers. If you are writing in rough book one time, then also it is okay. So write along with me. First we write Amish was very angry. After that what do we write? But he kept quiet. QUIET. Then full stop. Amish was very angry, but he kept quiet. We wrote but in between. Water the plants will die. Water the plants will die. So, if you do not water the plants, then they will die. Two options are there. Either water them or they will die. So, we can write or. In the place of full stop, we can write or. See like this. First we write the first sentence as it is. Copy the first sentence. Water the plants as it is we have written. After that we write conjunction or. Or they will die. They means the plants. They here is plants. Water the plants or they will die. The conjunction that we used is or. If you don't water, then they will die. So in between we write or. Next, Tia did not watch her favorite show. Full stop. She had her exams next week. So why did she not watch her favorite show? Because she had exams. Reason is given why Tia did not watch her favorite show. Because there was exam time. So we write the answer. Tia did not. Do write the answer with me. Tia did not watch her favorite FAVOURITE, a favorite show. Then we continue that. Let us take it over here. Show, because BECAUSE. Because now instead of Tia we have to write she. Because she had her exams, EXAMS, her exams next week. So here we complete the answer. Tia did not watch her favorite show because she had her exams next week. Then see next, number 4. Mr. Sarkar is a rich man. He is a humble man. He is rich, then also he is humble, means very kind and good behavior he has. So these are opposite qualities. So for that, let us write the answer. First, the sentence you will copy. Mr. Sarkar is a rich man. Rich man, after that we have to write but. Conjunction we have to write is but. But a humble, HUMBLE, but a humble man. Mr. Sarkar is rich but a humble man. Here we will not write man because it will be repeated again. See, Mr. Sarkar is rich but a humble man. We cut this word, he is a. That we have to cut. Again Mr. Sarkar is given, but he is a humble man, but a humble man. Cut he is. And here cut man, because 2 times we will not write man. Mr. Sarkar is rich but a humble man. Then Anu stopped dancing. Somebody knocked at the door. Why did she stop dancing? Because somebody knocked at the door. Again the reason is given. Because. So first we write the answer. The first sentence as it is. Anu stopped. STOPPED. Anu stopped dancing. Because. BECAUSE. Because somebody, or because, yes, somebody is given over there. SOMEBODY. Because somebody, KNOCKED, knocked. Because somebody knocked at the door. See that you are writing the answers correctly. Do not make a single mistake. Anu stopped dancing because somebody knocked at the door. We have to write because. The next sentences are your homework sentences. You have to solve this 5 yourself. From number F. My sister enjoys reading books. Full stop. She enjoys watching television. You have to join it yourself. It is a holiday today. We have school tomorrow. That is also your homework. Rana is tall. Anmol is short. My friend has sunflowers in his garden. He has roses in his garden. Grandmother gifted me a paint box. She gifted me a drawing book. So these 5 sentences are your homework sentences. Means you have to write the answers yourself. Then next time when we discuss, you can check the answer, but please write the answers without seeing. If you have already written, do not see in the textbook, you can take the screenshot of this page, yes, and the screenshot of the next page, and you can write the answers without seeing. Now we have completed all the exercises of your textbook. Just the last 5 sentences I have given in homework that we will discuss later on. Now let us solve the worksheet. So here is the worksheet of lesson 16, conjunctions. Give the heading in a new page in your rough book, lesson 16, conjunctions. These are extra exercises. This you will not write in the textbook or in the fair book. You will only write this in the rough book one time. Circle the conjunction in each sentence given below. So as you can see, the 5 sentences are given. You have to read these 5 sentences before I read, and you have to circle the conjunction. You have to find the conjunction. 1 minute time I will give you. Your time starts now. And in this 1 minute time, I will read the sentences now. One by one, you have to write the conjunctions from all the 5 sentences. See, in all the sentences, there is at least one conjunction. Can you find out where is the conjunction? And can you write it in the book? Let us see if before I circle, can you write it or not? That is your test. I am reading number 1. I hope you have written all the 5 in your rough book by now. Number 1, they walked and played in the park. They walked and played in the park. So the conjunction in the first sentence is and. And is the conjunction. I hope you got it correct. Number 2, I like popcorn, but my sister likes chips. I like popcorn, but my sister likes chips. See the popcorns and chips. So what do you like, popcorn or chips? Or do you like both? Yes, write your answer in the book or tell your parents to bring one for you if you are feeling hungry. But what is the conjunction? Mark the conjunction, that is but. But is the conjunction. Let us see which students have found out all the 5. We are moving ahead. Sentence number 3. Jack hoped he would get a baseball or a game for his birthday. Jack hoped that he would get a baseball or a game for his birthday. The conjunction over here is or, because options are given. Baseball or a game, or is the conjunction. 4th one, the cat is in my room because it is raining. See how lovely the cat is. The cat is sitting over here. The cat is in my room because it is raining. So the conjunction is because. Reason is given. Why the cat is sitting in the room? Because it is raining. So write because. Their mother was late, so they waited at the library. They are waiting because mother has not come. What is the conjunction over here? So. So is the conjunction. Now, we completed all the 5 sentences. I hope all of you have written the correct answers. If you have got all the correct answers, 5 out of 5, then you can message me. You already have my WhatsApp number where you are sending the homework. Let me know if you have got all the 5 answers correct. Next, we have multiple choice quiz. Here also we will have some around 8 sentences, and in this sentences there are around 12. We have to mark the correct answer. Let's see number 1. I visited my dentist last Tuesday. Dash, I had a terrible toothache. Why did I visit my dentist? Because I had a terrible toothache. Reason is given. So for reason we write because. The weather is always sunny. Dash, hot in summer in Turkey. The weather is always sunny and hot because it is summer season. It was freezing this morning. Dash, Mr. Larrington wore his scarf and vest. It was freezing this morning, so Mr. Larrington wore his scarf and vest. Carol studied hard for the maths test. Dash she couldn't get good mark. So she studied hard, then also she didn't get good marks. Then also means but opposite happened. Studying hard and getting bad marks, it is opposite. Linda went to the supermarket. Dash she forgot to buy apples. She went to the market, but she did not bring apples, she forgot. The businessman felt furious. Dash the bill was very expensive. The businessman felt furious. What should be the answer? Because the bill was very expensive, it was very costly, so he was angry. Thomas fell down. Dash injured his right leg. See, he fell down and he injured his right leg. He got an injury. So, end. The children wore their costumes. Dash visited their neighbors. They wore their costumes and visited their neighbors. Option A. And. Number 9. Mr. Ian fell asleep in front of the computer. Dash he was so tired. Why did he fall asleep? Because he was so tired. So the answer is because. I felt exhausted. Dash I stopped cleaning the house. I felt exhausted, so I stopped cleaning the house. So Brian was late for work again. Dash his boss warned him. He was late, so his boss warned him. So is the answer. Mr. Downson waited for so long. Dash he couldn't catch any fish. He waited for so long, but he couldn't catch any fish. But now let us read this sentence and select the correct conjunctions. See, 5 are given, you have to select the correct conjunctions. And the options are given over here. From that 3 you have to select any one. Let us read the first one. I would love to stay. Dash I have to catch my bus. I would love to stay, but I have to catch my bus. But will come over here. Contrast situation. His hot chocolate was too hot. Dash he put some cold milk in it. 3 options are there. From that 3 you have to select any one. His hot chocolate was too hot, so he put some cold milk in it. Here it is so. Dash he had an umbrella. We got extremely wet. 3 options are given. Or, although, because. Dash we had an umbrella. We got extremely wet. Although we had an umbrella, we got extremely wet. Although means then also we got wet. I only passed my exam. Dash you helped me. 3 options are there. I only passed my exam because you helped me. The reason is given. They were hungry. Dash so they made some sandwiches. What should be the answer? Here the 3 options are but, because and so. They were hungry, so they made some sandwiches. They were hungry, so they made some sandwiches. So here we complete chapter number 16, conjunctions. Complete the homework, that last 5 sentences. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.